This cool looking tablet on my side here is ASUS first 13.3-inch OLED 2-in-1 detachable laptop, the ASUS Vivobook 13 Slate OLED. ASUS marketed as a personal computer and your personal OLED TV. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Episode 49. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Let's check out what the ASUS Vivobook 13 Slate OLED has to offer. What comes along with the Slate is a detachable, full-size laptop keyboard with a touchpad, a magnetic kickstand, ASUS Pen 2.0 with 3 different tips to swap between. It offers different frictional properties and hardness for different drawings or writing style. It also comes with a magnetic pen holder so you can easily snap it onto the Slate when you are done using it. Lastly, a 65W USB-C PD chargers and a sleeve case. The Vivobook 13 Slate OLED is built with an aluminium frame and slapped with a 13.3-inch OLED touch display, weighed at just 780 grams or 1.4 kg, with keyboard and kickstand attached. It has a heavy continuous hinge that allows the Slate to stand upright in the range of 110 to 170 degrees, as well as in portrait orientation. The power button is on the top right, which doubles as a window hello fingerprint reader. Volume rocker buttons is on the right side. All ports are located on the left, a 3.5mm audio combo port, 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 that support power delivery and display out. It also has a micro SD card reader. There's a 13MP camera on the back and a 5MP front camera. The versatile design allows the laptop to adapt to your needs in any form. Overall, the design is funky and fun to use. The centerpiece of this laptop is the OLED display. Although you only sport a 13-inch 1080p resolutions, the Dolby Vision certified OLED panel is excellent with 550 nits peak brightness and exceptional color reproductions. It also Pantone validated, Resa certified display HDR, True Black 500 and 100% DCI P3 color gamut. Great display is paired with premium sound. The Dolby Atmos surround quad speaker setup is not only loud, it can also deliver clear and precise audio output. Anyway, I won't be sitting too far watching a movie on a 13-inch display. Having the Vivobook 13 Slate OLED is like having a portable home entertainment setup any way I want. It's more than what I need for video binge regardless of any video streaming services. Powering the ASUS Vivobook 13 Slate OLED is an Intel Pentium Silver N6000 processor with Intel UHD graphics. The review unit that I have here is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD storage, equipped with speedy Wi-Fi 6 and latest Bluetooth 5.2. Performance isn't the stronghold of this laptop. It's capable to run Windows 11 and even decode high bitrate video streams, including 4K videos. It also fits for any general productivity tasks like word processing, web browsing, sketching, or taking notes with the ASUS Pen. The 50 working hour battery is decent with about 7 to 8 hours of consumption, which can easily get you through a full day of use. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the laptop with the provided 65W PD charger. The ASUS Vivobook 13 Slate OLED is available now for RM3499 for the 8GB of memories and 256GB storage configurations. If entertainment is first on your checklist for a laptop, you won't be disappointed. The brilliant OLED displays and Dolby Atmos surround quad speakers are perfect for any entertainment consumptions. High demanding tasks, you may have to look elsewhere. That's all from me on the ASUS Vivobook 13 Slate OLEDs. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.